Hello everybody and welcome to my Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. This is my January Glam Bag and I'm sorry for posting it late, but I get it late and then I work. But yeah, so let me just get this open. Boom. So I ordered 2 add-ons. This is my first one by the brand F.A.R.A.H. It's their glam sponge. I actually tore mine, so I was lucky that this was one of the add-ons that I could purchase. So I'm gonna just open this up for you, and it looks soft and it's pretty because it's red and then has like the F.A.R.A.H name on there, but it looks pretty big. And then I watered it and look how much bigger it got. So yeah, always make sure to use a damp sponge with your foundation because it works very well for me, especially like with my oily face and everything. But yeah, this is big. So on to the next product. Oh, so my second add-on, I purchased a toner by the brand NEOGEN Dermatology, or wait, Dermalogy. Okay. Okay. It's a pore refiner toner. It says that it can balance your skin and everything. I just used it this morning for the first time. It feels fresh. You just have to put in a cotton pad and wipe it off on your face after cleansing. Second product is by FIRMA Beauty. It's a blending brush. It is their number 403. And the brush, it's pretty because it's black. It's also this nice size. And yeah, and soft. And before I open this, I'm gonna just show you the bag. You can see the products through, little Ipsy logo on the side. It's pretty with dream all over it because for this month it says dream it, new month, new year. It's also introducing refreshments, which is like their skincare brand. Next product is by Belle and ARGENT. It is nail polish in the shade Bore Someone Else. So I'm gonna get this open. Nice pretty bee on top. It's cute, but the rest of the bottle is pretty plain. This is what it looks like on my nails with 2 layers. I like it. Next product I'm going to be bringing is the UOMA Beauty, their Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. I struggled quite a bit to open this. After struggling, you can now see the top. Well, when I was opening it, I actually thought that the white part was the top of the bottle up until I realized it after. But it looked like a good size sample for mascara to me. I also like the way the brush was because I don't really own mascara brushes like that, so I still have to try it out. I haven't tried it, but it looks like this, and I'll just put it away now. Next product is inside of this wrapping paper or bubble wrap, so I'm gonna get it open. It's by the brand Ditto, and it has such pretty packaging. I love it. It is their Galaxy Shade Eyeshadow, and like I'm so mesmerized by this packaging. And this is what the shade is. It looks like a pretty pink to me, so I'm gonna just swatch it for you. And you can already tell from that little build up how pigmented it is. And this is what it looks like on my arm. First one is a swipe, the second is me attempting to blend with my finger. But it looks really pretty and can be used as eyeshadow or highlighter. My next product is by the brand KINSHIP. It is their Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleanser. I've already tried it out. It feels so soft on my skin. It makes me feel soft. It also smells delicious, has me craving papaya, and it does not foam, there's no bubbles, so it is very, very gentle on your face. And this is the first package that was easy for me to open, so I already love it. So this is what it looks like. It's a pretty good size sample for me. I'm just gonna open it and show you what it looks like, and I'll swatch it on my hand. And so that completes my glam bag for the month of January. Thank you for watching and staying tuned with all my glam bag videos. I'll have another one for February coming up since I got their Glam Bag X. So I'll introduce y'all all to that. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.